Just remember dx is du over secant squared. Come here, and you will have secant squared x, tangent squared x, d up. What? du over secant squared x. And now you see happily the secant squared cancel, leaving us tangent squared x du, which is not quite legitimate. How do I get the Miss Christina? How do I get that x out of here? It's on the board. Are they right here?
U squared.
U squared. And now your calculus one friend is jumping up and down on that one. What is the antiderivative of that, Mr. Moshi? What is u, Mr. Christina? Tangent cubed x. Tangent cubed, not tangent 3x. And there you have it, Mr. Best, if ever you want to know the antiderivative of secant squared tangent squared. Okay, let's try, you try one of these, huh? Let's you try one of these. You try one of these. So, this is the second example. So let's say you have tangent cubed x, secant x, dx. So what is the power of the tangent? And the power of the secant? Both are, so you have to do the substitution. What is the substitution you're going to make here? Secant x.
Oh,
Haha.
sorry. What's the next step? Why would you have to use? Because you can't just get rid of this. What was the first thing that you substituted?
secant x. It just doesn't disappear because you
Cancel it out.
can't cancel it out, it's a u. I mean, I guess you could, maybe. I guess you could, yeah.
Would you just keep it and then put secant over tangent?
Maybe that's how, I mean, that might be how you have to look at it and solve it now. I mean, it is tangent, but.
So let's put u in it first so that you don't accidentally cancel it out.
Yeah, well, I mean, even like you could, you know, you might need it there to solve the problem.
Right.
Right, as of right now, what can you do with tangent square x? Really, jack.
So I'm gonna read it.
Let's see if I can look at anything in the middles. Make my brain juices go.
Let's see. That would be. Wouldn't it be sine squared x over sine squared x over secant, which is 1 over cosine.
We could really break this down.
Times negative
I don't know when you use it.
which is what?
It doesn't just cancel out, it's tangent squared plus 1. What is, okay, so tangent is squared, because we can do secant x divided by secant x is equal to tangent squared x plus 1, and that's really simple, that's just secant squared, so the antiderivative of secant squared.
Yeah, that's true.
Tangent x. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. We still haven't talked with the u. Oh, no, you don't. It's u squared. Because it's actually, so u squared is d, which is 1/3 third. So the final answer is secant to third x over 3. Got it, right?
What'd you do? What was it?
I don't know, I just started scribbling in work. Alright, so okay. Secant x, you know, we got all that. So you tangent, what you end up with is tangent squared x plus 1 u.
Okay, but where'd you get plus 1?
Because the secant and the secant cancel out. We don't make 0, it makes 1.
So if you want, it'd be times 1, yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you're done with this.
I'm not done with this. What I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to break tangent into its components and secant into its components, cancel out. If you do that, you can also multiply it into I think it's sine squared x tangent u.
Oh, you can't do that. No. Please, if you do algebra, do correct algebra. Yes, I have talked about this on occasion. Please, don't upset your Math 99 friends. Okay, don't confuse them. Alright? Who thinks this is this? Raise your hand. Down. Okay. If you want to cancel, I say this in my pre-calculus class, I say if you want to cancel, don't cancel. If you want to cancel, don't cancel. Because you're going to make a stupid mistake. What is the correct thing to do, Miss Yasmina? What does Dr. J say? He says factor. Yeah, don't cancel. That's what they teach in the United States. cancel, and it leads you down the primrose path. Huh? What you want to do is if you have something like this, then you'll factor. I better know how to factor, I'm sorry. Then I can cancel. But otherwise, don't cancel, because you will make a meaningless statement. You will make a meaningless statement. Dr. J's rule of thumb, never cancel. Never. You always factor. That is what they should be teaching in primary school. But they will teach the thing about canceling. And it goes right the way through graduate school. People don't know how to do fractions. No? So who was able to do this one? Mr. Halford, what did you do?
I made u equal secant x.
U is equal to secant x, and so what you got then? So you got du by dx is what?
I think you cancel here, because you look at it like this, like that.
So secant x is,
Secant x, you could literally substitute u.
which is to say that dx is equal to what?
And then
du
that's all
over
you use.
secant
It's the
x
same.
tangent x.
Du over secant x tangent x. So, Ms. Heather, I would put this the first thing.